Good morning. I got some new eyeliner yesterday and I want my eyes to look like they're glowing today, so I'm just gonna do a quick eyeliner, quick glitter, and see how it turns out. Alright, I'm gonna start with creating a winged eye tip, but go straight to the bottom lash because I'm gonna use the angle of my bottom eyelid for the wingtip. I'm gonna kind of make it big underneath. See how it's big under there? And then go back and fill that in. This is a NYX Blue Trip Epic Wear liner stick. They have a bunch of different colors. I got a pink yesterday, and this blue is just awesome. It almost looks like it's glowing. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. Same thing, start with this angle of my bottom lid. I'm gonna kind of bring it down and up. Okay, and then fill it in to really create a big line. It almost looks like a reverse, what you would do on the top. And by using the bottom lid to create that line, it's almost like automatically even. Almost. Okay, so now I'm just gonna follow that same line and go across the top. Just like that. And make sure it's filled in kind of smooth. These pencils really go on easy. Okay. Same thing, just go from this corner, making a big fat line. I like pulling my eyelid kind of taut. I don't want to go too tight because then sometimes you kind of lose your line a little bit. See how my eyes are kind of like glowing from a distance? You're like, what is going on with her eyes, you know? Okay. I see it's kind of it's not super smooth, so I'll just kind of blend it a little bit. Just make sure it's smudged. Just a little bit. Kind of fills in the gaps without putting more liner on. A little bit more on this side. Okay. Alright, and then I want to set it with a setting powder. I've just got a NYX finishing powder, and banana just goes on translucent, but I do have hot yoga again today, so I don't want it to run or get on the top of my eyelid or anything like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna do mascara, just my regular man-eater mascara in black. Get the little glob off the end and do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go real light, but moving the brush back and forth to get a lot of mascara on because I'm gonna stick glitter to this. So I'll need a nice thick coat. I said light and then I said thick. I just don't want the black to go on the bottom liner. And then I've got some Positive Art Blue Loose Extra Fine Glitter. I'm gonna just stick it to it's the same color as the eyeliner. I'm gonna stick it to the mascara while it's still wet. Then when the mascara dries, the glue will be stuck. Okay? I'm gonna do my bottom lashes first. On both sides. I got a little mascara on my nose. It's okay. I'll get that off in a second. I wanted to do the same color because almost from a distance I wanted people to not understand what was going on with my eye makeup. So they have to get close to see what's going on. Okay, again, just stuck the glitter to the bottom lashes. Now for the top, I'm gonna keep that glob of mascara at the top and smash it in my eyelashes to get a lot of mascara. I like focusing on the outside corner. Give my eyelashes a really good shape. If you focus on the outside corner, then it kind of looks like fake eyelashes or something, in my opinion. Alright, while it's still wet again, some more of that loose glitter. Just stick it right on. I just have a little plate beside me with the loose glitter on it. Any extra fine glitter will work. If you don't get extra fine, then it gets pretty chunky and some of it falls off. This is not makeup glitter. This is a craft glitter, neon rainbow sky blue, on Amazon. Pack of 60 for like, I don't know, $30, $40. Way cheaper than makeup glitter. Okay, and then get another dab from my other eye. When you put a lot of mascara on like that, it takes a while to dry. So then it's easier to comb out and you don't get like clumps that you're chasing. Sometimes if you just try to put a little mascara on, then part of it dries on your eyelashes and you don't have time to really fan each eyelash out. Okay, and then while it's still wet, smash glitter. Okay, put a lot on this one. Blink a few times and let it all fall off. Okay, and then just to clean up my face a little bit, because I got stuff all over the place, I'm just gonna get that little mascara over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a brush just to squeeze the bristles together so it gets hard. Lift the glitter off my skin. I don't have anything on my face right now. So from a distance, I mean, it looks like my eyes are like maybe glowing. That's what it looks like to me. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do today. Let's see what happens. Got glitter in my eyes, but okay, it'll blink out. It's fine. All right, happy Saturday, y'all. Bye.